Ever pondered the mystery of how parrots mimic human speech with such precision? The secret lies in their unique vocal organ, the syrinx, and their extraordinary brains. Situated at the base of the trachea, where it diverges into the bronchi, the syrinx is a marvel of avian anatomy. Unlike human vocal cords, which are located in the throat, the syrinx sits at the point where the trachea splits into the bronchi. This strategic position allows parrots to control airflow in a way that human beings can only dream of. The syrinx is a complex structure composed of muscles and membranes that parrots deftly manipulate to produce an astonishing array of sounds. From the melodious songs of the wild to the chimes of your morning alarm, parrots have the ability to replicate almost any sound they hear. Yet the syrinx is only part of the story. The parrot's brain plays an equally crucial role in their vocal abilities. Parrots possess highly developed brain regions responsible for learning and vocalization, including the forebrain and midbrain. These areas aid in the learning and reproduction of new sounds. What sets parrots apart is a unique vocal learning pathway in their brains. This pathway allows parrots to learn and mimic sounds with an accuracy that is simply astounding. So, when your feathered friend greets you with a "good morning" or asks "what's up?", remember, it's not just mimicry. It's a testament to the remarkable capabilities of the parrot's syrinx and brain. In the world of avian species, parrots are the unparalleled masters of vocalization. Their ability to control airflow using the syrinx, combined with their highly developed brain regions, allows them to mimic human speech with uncanny accuracy. It's a testament to the wonder of nature and the complexity of these vibrant creatures. Their talent for mimicry is not just a party trick, but a remarkable adaptation that holds the key to understanding complex vocal learning in birds. So next time you hear a parrot speaking, take a moment to appreciate the marvel of nature that allows this fascinating imitation.